Hello viewers, good morning to everyone. Myself Dr. G. Balakrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Vivekananda College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Now going to discuss about GATE Chemistry question 2019. Now question number 1. The delta zero value of nickel hexa aqua 2 plus is 8500 centimeter minus 1. The del zero values for nickel hexa chloro 4 minus and nickel hexa amino 2 plus compared to nickel hexa aqua 2 plus are. In general, 4 factors affecting the magnitude of del zero value. Point number 1, higher oxidation state of metal atom correspond to large del zero value. Point number 2, in groups, heavier analogous having large del zero value. That means top to bottom of periodic table, it increase the del zero value, as well as geometry of metal coordinates unit affect del zero greatly. I mean octahedral shows higher del zero than tetrahedral. And final one, nature of ligand. We know pretty well electrochemical series about the ligand. The first weak ligand is halogen group, then water, a strong ligand, electron donor ligand. In this concept, now we look at 3 complexes. All complexes have same metal ions, there is no difference, as well as same octahedral complex, then same oxidation number. Out of 4 point number 4, the ligand only change following 3 complexes. The weak ligand, I mean chlorine, shows lower value than reference one, I mean aqua complex. Then electron donor, I mean amine, shows higher del zero value than nickel hexa aqua complex. So answer B, nickel hexa chloro lower value than nickel hexa aqua and nickel hexa amine higher value than nickel hexa aqua 2 plus ion. So answer B is correct answer. In question number 2, in Freundlich isotherm, a linear relationship is obtained in the plot of within a bracket Q is equal to surface coverage and P is equal to partial pressure of the gas. Freundlich absorption isotherm is a curve that expresses the variance in the amount of the gas absorbed by the absorbent with pressure at constant temperature. The formula X by M is equal to Kp 1 by N. Here X is mass of the gas absorbed, M is the mass of the absorbent, P is the pressure, and N is the constant which depends upon the nature of the absorbent and the gas at given temperature. Taking the logarithm on both the side of the equation, we get log X by M is equal to log K plus 1 by N log P. The plot of this equation is a straight line as represented by following curves. Here log X by M is a y-axis and log P, I mean pressure, is x-axis. We get plot straight line. The log K is a intercept value, slope is equal to 1 by N. Based on the curve, we analyze option B is a correct answer. That means ln Q versus ln P. Here ln Q is nothing but surface coverage. That means X quantity of gas absorbed by the unit mass of solid absorbent, I mean M. So answer B is correct answer. Question number 3, micelle formation is accompanied by the, here given 4 options. Before enter the question, we want to understand what is entropy. That means disorder. A measure of disorder, the higher the entropy, the greater disorder. In thermodynamics, a parameter representing the state of disorder of the system at the atomic, ionic, molecular level, the greater disorder, the higher the entropy. Here I shows the image which is contain some quantity of solid dissolved in solvent. After that, it's sacking, it gives solution. In this solution stage, particles more disorder. That means overall entropy increases, as well as this solubility depends upon the solvent and solid, mainly due to solvent alone compared than solid. So that option B, increase in overall entropy mostly due to increasing solvent entropy. Question number 4, the Woodworth-Hoffman condition to bring out the following transformation is: the reactant is triene, it converted the closure ring cyclohexadiene in trans substitution. Here given 4 options. Here I shows 2 images. Left side shows Woodward-Hoffman rule for electrocyclic reaction, whether the reactant having 4n bi-electrons or 4n plus 2 bi-electron, which is involve different condition, temperature as well as H nu, photochemical reactions, and respective rotation, con or dis. And right side shows the perfect optimum reaction condition of the above question. The reactant have 4n plus 2 bi-electrons. It undergo the thermal reaction. It obey this rotation for bond interaction. It gives cis product. On the other hand, the same reactant in photochemical reaction, it undergoes conrotative bond interaction, gives trans product. Based on the information, we analyze option D is correct answer. That means H nu conrotative is correct answer for the above reaction. Question number 5, the major product formed in the following reaction is: in this 4-member ring, react with diethyl aluminum chloride in benzene at 5 degrees Celsius. Here I given the similar type of the reaction. The reactant react with aluminum trichloride in presence of benzene. The reaction undergo heterolytic cleavage of ring followed by formation of O minus and carbocation ketone. In this carbocation undergo LW substitution of benzene, it give product. In this product, help to analyze all 4 options. Option A is correct answer of the above reaction. Question number 6, among the following compounds, the number of compounds that do not exhibit optical activity at room temperature is. Here given 6 compounds. Compound 1, it's optical active because it have chiral center of the carbon. Compound 2, it is not optical active because this allene not having even number of bibond. Compound 3, its optically active compound becomes optically inactive in aqueous medium as it's lost the chirality, and the protonization will lead to formation of racemic product, so that is not optical active. Compound 4 is optically inactive because it have plane of symmetry. Carbon-carbon single bond rotate, it exhibit planar symmetry. Compound 5 is optically active due to atropisomerism. Compound 6 is not optically active because it have planar symmetry. Out of 6 compound 2, 3, 4 and 6 are not optical active. Thanks to watching this video. If you like, please kindly subscribe this video. Thank you.